What's up, everybody? This is Roha from Our Nation, and I know it's been a while since I made my last vlog, but I just wanted to get into it, show you guys what we've been up to behind the scenes, and also our new location. So let's get into it. So as you guys saw, this is the outside lot where we can store up to, I'd say 110 cars. And then we've got that lot over there as well, where we can store up to about, I'd say, 10 cars behind the office as well. And then inside over there, we can store up to 14 cars for indoor storage, plus all the works and everything, which I'll be showing you guys in a second. But first, I need to get off this truck. And while we're at it, I would like to show you my other problem, is that I love buying trucks, as you can see. We've got all kind of trucks. So we started up with this one, which I used for about almost 2 years. And now we're gonna leave this one down here at the shop. And then I ended up buying this one, which was kind of a little big for Yokohama. This is like the roof spoiler kind of thing. But it's too wide and too long for the Yokohama street. So I'm putting this one up for sale just because I found the best deal on a truck. Because this thing is low car friendly, wide car friendly. And you can put 2 cars with quite a bit of space in between, and it also has a sleeping bed inside, so it's like the best of, you know, everything. So this one's a Hino Ranger. We're gonna change up the color on this one real soon after we're done with all the projects that are in there. And I need to get rid of the second one, which I have a customer coming up tomorrow to check it out, so hopefully it sells. And yeah, so I'll show you guys inside. This is how it looks inside. Currently it's a bit messy because we've got work going on. This car is Moni's S13, her first one, which is gonna get worked on. You don't mind if I show your car, right? Yeah, but that's how it's been for the past 4 years. It's coming up to 4 years now that this car's been sitting. But we're gonna restore this one soon. This car we've had for a while to post it up for sale. It's a 1J 6-speed manual Koki converted from Zenki. And then this is also Moni's S15, which is going to be a collector item for us. So this thing's going to be sitting, I think, for the next couple years. We'll store it indoors. This is a customer's car waiting to be shifted outside once we've made the walls so it's secure. But until then, we're going to keep it in here. And then this is Moni's new project S13, which we're going to drop the 2.2 VET into. Currently, it's got a normal SR, but that thing's going to be pulled out. We're going to keep it as a spare. No idea what we're going to do with it, but you know, this shell's ready to go. It's already got all the tubs cut out, so it'll be a fun project. This is Randy's car, which I think he crashed into Sam and Masuri from this side, and then yeah, I crashed into him as well using Moni's missile. And then over here we've got our compressor, we've got some frame pulling tools, we've got a tire changer which we need to update to a newer one, something to hold all the tools in here, another frame puller. Oh, almost forgot, we've got a underground lift over here that we can use, so it's not in the way. We can drive all over it and we can lift the cars up easy. And this is the best part of the shop. We've got an elevator, guys. It takes a while for it to come down, but it works. We can put engines on the second floor and all the heavy stuff because this lift can hold up to 1 ton, I believe. It's pretty cool. I'll show you guys the second floor too. And up we go. We'll come back to this. That's the paint booth, but currently we're using it to fix my S15 in there. Prepare it for the next round, pass all the regulations. But this is where all the cool stuff is going to be happening soon. This is one big room at the moment, but we're planning to make some walls over there so we have some kind of privacy for when our friends want to come over, have some beds and some working AC and all that stuff. So it'll be nice. And then thinking about having like a billiards table, a ping pong table, and then some simulators on the corners over there. It'll be pretty nice, but we need to clean this floor up, get rid of all this stuff, and then get it all prepared nice and tidy. We've got a little kitchen over there, and then we've got cameras out as well on the outside. I don't know if you can see from over here, but this is the outside lot. Oh, there we go, kind of. And just the view here is just beautiful. I'm just in love, guys. This place is so peaceful. And you can just walk down the staircase and just take a look at what's happening in the shop. Actually, you know what? Let's go and check out what's been happening to the FD car. And here's the FD car that we're refreshing and taking care of things that should have done before the season begins, but it's never too late. We're just welding in the pieces that we're missing over here, reinforcing the chassis, as you can see. And then for regulations, we got a few things to take care of, and just moving all the stuff out of the way. You're gonna have the breather, the oil catch can coming all the way back here. Before it was somewhere around there. And then on this side as well, the power steering reservoir is gonna be replaced with an aftermarket one. We're gonna put that one in this side and then get rid of this stuff so we have open tubs. And this is what we have to do for the regulations for FD. So they said we cannot have this angle because it has to be somewhere around within 10 degrees. So hopefully this thing should work. It's gonna be welded right here somehow, something like this, and should pass for the next rounds. Other than that, we're fixing up all the oil leaks and all that stuff that we had, and making this car more, you know, work friendly in the pits when we don't have that much time. So we changed out the oil return line, and then we're getting rid of all the other soft hoses that we've got. So we're gonna replace that. And you can see I had a little bit of a kink this whole time in the power steering line, which made it a bit hard for the steering. And also we had noises coming here and there, which would have eventually ended up us having a blown rack. Also, we caught that, so that's good. And then we gotta put some new turbo gaskets and all that stuff and get this thing ready to go and hopefully more reliable. On the inside, not much, except we're gonna be getting rid of all these wires, all the rat nest that's inside there. I don't know if you can see, but I'll try to zoom in. There you go. So we're gonna get rid of all of that, put some new switches in there, and also we're gonna get rid of all these wires and all that stuff that's in here, put some covers on, make it all nice and tidy, make it look like a Formula Drift car. And also shout out to Twins for their pretty cool keychain that I'm gonna be running on my car. Not for long. Sorry about that, Brunio. We're gonna get rid of the key. We're gonna go with a push start switch in the center as well. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna have enough time to get this car painted, but big plans. We're hopefully looking to work with another aero company, which I will be revealing to you in the next vlog if it all works out. And then also with another really good and huge following on YouTube as well. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. Looking forward to how this car looks like in the next couple months, and hopefully we can perform better as well. So that's all the updates for now and all the stuff that's been going on behind the scenes, and I'm glad I was able to share all that with you. Hopefully in the next couple more days we'll be ready and make it to Fausto's drift event, the Sideways X drift event that they're having for the practice for FD1 and FD2, hopefully in the next couple weeks, I think. And if we're ready, we're gonna take this car. If not, I have to take up the backup car and get some practice in. So thank you all for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and spread the word, and let us know what you all need in the next vlog, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.